The Waterwise Garden Irrigator program is a joint initiative of the Water Corporation and Irrigation Australia Limited, WA region. This presentation serves as an induction for anyone proposing to join the program. The program is designed to improve the water use efficiency of home garden irrigation systems being installed by irrigation contractors in Western Australia. The program has been upskilling domestic irrigation system installers for over 10 years, and in that time has undergone significant improvements and development, including the addition of detailed specifications which now underpin the program. This is one of a number of Waterwise programs that fall under the banner of the Water Corporation's Waterwise specialists. These include our other irrigation Waterwise program, the Waterwise Irrigation Design Shop program. That program trains domestic irrigation retail staff in best practice irrigation design and practices. If you qualify for and apply to join the Waterwise Garden Irrigator program, you will be invited to download the program training manual and the specifications on which the program is based. After studying these, you will be required to undertake an online exam, and once you have passed, you will be certified as a Waterwise Garden Irrigator. So why is this program so important to Western Australia and its wildlife? Well, first of all, we have a drying climate and a fast-growing population with ever-growing demands on a diminishing resource. With almost half the water delivered to Perth's homes being used in the garden, there is great potential to save massive amounts of water through the adoption of the latest irrigation technology, appropriately installed and operated. This graph shows the sad tale of diminishing stream flows into Perth's dams. The pre-1975 average is almost double the last 25-year average, and as you can see, the past 3 winters show almost no inflow whatsoever. The next graph shows that water levels on the Nangara Mound, one of Perth's main underground water sources, are now at record lows. This shows where Perth's water is currently being sourced, with groundwater now providing almost half of water delivered. With diminishing surface and underground water, we can see the huge contribution now being demanded of our desalination plants. The Water Corporation has been involved in successful trials of groundwater replenishment using treated wastewater, which looks like promising to be a valuable resource for the future. I must apologise at this point if this presentation appears somewhat Perth-centric. The statistics we quote for Perth are very graphic, but the same stresses apply in every region of Western Australia, making the value of our Waterwise programs as valuable and vital in regional areas as they are in Perth. Unlike most of the eastern states, the irrigation industry in Western Australia is unregulated. Anyone with a shovel, a ute and a hacksaw can claim to be an irrigation professional and can install a system to any standard. This program supports those who install systems to its standards, and in doing so supports the profitability and sustainability of our industry. The program does not try to make installers into irrigation designers. However, every installer should have a grounding in basic irrigation design, an understanding of precipitation rates and scheduling, measurement of uniformity, hydraulics, pipe sizing and friction loss charts. The program promotes the use of drip irrigation where appropriate and includes information on pump selection and installation. The program specifies in detail the requirements of a plumber's cut-in, suitable isolation valves, details on backflow prevention and appropriate master valves and valve boxes. The program recommends the use of SMART approved watermark products which have proven water-saving potential. It specifies appropriate materials, depths and installation of main lines, detailed requirements for solenoid cabling and its connections, the installation of solenoid valves and appropriate valve boxes, the requirements for lateral lines both in turf and gardens, and details on the installation of drip irrigation in turfed areas. Drip irrigation in garden beds includes the requirements for filtration, root intrusion prevention, pressure regulation, vacuum breakers and flushing valves. These are some examples of several drip irrigation layouts required for different types of garden bed plantings. The best designed and installed irrigation systems can still be operated inefficiently. Significant emphasis is placed on the need to supply clients with appropriate scheduling information pertaining both to sprinkler type and climatic variation. As part of any quality management system, a process whereby systems installed under the program are audited to ensure that our high standards are being maintained is of vital importance. It is a condition of admittance to the program that any member will, on request, provide details of systems installed to enable some of their work to be audited. So why should you join the program? The Water Corporation invests a considerable amount of money and effort advertising and promoting the Waterwise specialists. Members are listed on their and Irrigation Australia's websites. You are licensed to use the Waterwise specialist logo on your quotes and in all your advertising and promotion. The Water Corporation offers a range of branded promotional material, such as vehicle stickers, to promote the Waterwise specialists. More of our clients, such as property developers and home builders, are coming on board by insisting that their systems be installed by endorsed Waterwise garden irrigators. And looking to the future, the IL in WA aims to have our standards and specifications made mandatory in a more regulated environment, which will ensure world best standards of water use efficiency in domestic irrigation and a sustainable industry and a future for the true irrigation professional.